Hi, welcome to my channel. This is one in a series of videos where I'll be crocheting with strips of tulle to make different projects. Today I'll be showing you how to make these crocheted flowers. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you how to daisy chain them together to make a garland, but there's really so much you can do with them, that's just one idea. To make these flowers, you'll need some tulle strips. You can scale the sizing of this project, but for each of my flowers, I used a 4-inch wide by 30-inch long piece for the yellow center, and a 4-inch by 40-inch piece for the petals. And I used a 6.5mm or US size K crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a large tapestry needle. I'll include a list of supplies along with links in the description. To start, take the tulle you'll be using for your flower center and make a slip knot, leaving a short tail. Insert your hook and pull on the tail to tighten, leaving a little bit of slack. Make a chain by wrapping the tulle over to the front of your hook and pulling through the loop on your hook. Repeat one more time and you'll have a total of 2 chains. Next, you'll be working 5 US single crochet stitches into the first chain, the one next to the slip knot. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the chain, wrap your yarn over to the front of the hook, and pull through 1 loop on your hook. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Continue single crocheting back into that same space 4 more times. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That was the second single crochet. Repeat again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's the third. And again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's 4, and one more time insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. You can give a little tug on the ends of your work to help close it up and shape it into a circle. At this point, you should have 1 loop on your hook and you'll now begin to work the petals. Take your other strip of tulle, leave a small tail, firmly wrap it over the throat of your hook, and pull through the loop. Once the new tulle has been joined to your circle, you'll begin making loop stitches, which will be the petals. Not counting the stitch immediately to the left of your hook, count over 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where the first petal will be. Insert your hook into that stitch so that it's catching the top leg of the V shape. Grab your working end and pull up a loop in a similar way to how you would start to tie a bow on your shoes, pulling up about 2 inches with your pointer finger. Take the tulle that's behind your hook and bring it around to catch on the front part of your hook. Then pull it through the first loop on your hook. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. You can use your pointer finger on the hand that's holding the hook to keep everything secured. And you can use the other hand to grab the long working end to get a better grip on your work. Bring the working tulle over to the front of the hook and pull through both the loops. You now have 1 loop left on the hook. That's your first loop stitch. I'll show you how to do that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Then make a big loop and catch it from the back to the front. Pull through 1 loop on your hook, and then with a good grip on your work, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And again, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab a loop, pull it through, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I'll keep my camera going so you can see that a couple more times. Go all the way around, and when you see the last space to work, in my case you can see it here in yellow, make your final loop stitch there, and you'll end up with a total of 6 stitches or petals. This is what the front of my work looks like at this point. Then chain 1 and pull the remaining tail through to fasten off your work. You can use your tapestry needle to poke the ends through to the back side, and depending on what type of look you're going for, you can weave them, cut them down, or leave them long. There's a lot you can do with these little flowers. I think they'd be fun crocheted or sewn into larger projects. And if you'd like to join them together as a garland, the next step after making a bunch of individual flowers is to join a new piece of tulle into the back of one of the petals like this. And chain to your desired length. Then join the next flower in the back by inserting your hook through 2 stitches at opposite ends. And yarn over, pull through the stitches, and slip stitch together. Then continue chaining. If you run out of tulle, you can join a new piece in the same way you did to start the chain, like this, and continue along. You just repeat this, adding more flowers until you get to your desired length. And that's how you make tulle flowers using single crochet and loop stitches. Stay tuned for another crocheting with tulle video, and if you enjoyed this project, check out some of my others and subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date on new videos as they come out. Thanks for watching! See you next time!